Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about reorder stock level, that is ROL. This is one of the basic concepts of material costing. In this video, we'll cover the following things: meaning of ROL, the formula for calculating ROL, questions asked in the last 4 attempts of CA Intermediate new syllabus, and sample question from the study material. What is ROL? Now friends, every business uses some raw material for its production. When the raw material depletes, you have to place an order with the supplier to replenish the stock. But suppose you've placed the order today, it's highly unlikely that you are going to get the stock within the next few hours or by the next day or in 2 to 3 days. That's why we have to maintain a buffer stock. A certain level of raw material is maintained at each business considering the lead time, that is, how much time the supplier will take to deliver the asked raw material. This is done to sustain the continuity of production. For this purpose, the business must set a specific level at which it should place a new order with the supplier. This is where reorder level comes into play. It is, as the name suggests, is a level at which fresh order should be placed for replenishment of stock. This level lies between the minimum and the maximum levels in such a way that before the material is received into the stores, there is sufficient quantity on hand to cover both normal and abnormal consumption situations. It is more than the minimum level in order to cover even the abnormal situations, but it definitely is less than the maximum levels. Now we are going to look at the formula for ROL. ROL is maximum consumption into the maximum reorder period. What is maximum consumption? Maximum consumption is the maximum rate of material consumed in a production activity, and maximum reorder period is the maximum time to get the order from the suppliers to the stores. Now we are going to look at one example. This is from the study material of the new syllabus. It is given that two components, A and B, are used as follows. The normal usage is 50 per week each. Maximum usage is 75 per week each. Minimum usage 25 per week each. Reorder period for A is 4 to 6 weeks. That is 4 weeks is the minimum and 6 weeks is the maximum. Reorder period for B is 2 to 4 weeks. Now we are going to look at the solution. As we have seen in the previous slide, ROL is calculated by multiplying maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. In this question, the maximum usage has been directly given as 75 per week each. For component A, the maximum consumption is 75 per week and maximum reorder period is 6 weeks, giving us the ROL as 75 units into 6 weeks, that is 450 units. Similarly, for component B, the reorder level will be the maximum consumption, that is 75 units per week, multiplied by maximum reorder period, that is 4 weeks, giving us 300 units. In this question, it is important to note that the maximum usage has been given per week, and the reorder period is also given in terms of week. Nowhere in the formula it is mentioned that we have to consider the annual consumption. That is why we have directly taken the maximum consumption as 75 per week and multiplied it with the maximum reorder period. Now question 2. This question was asked in CA Intermediate November 2018 in the new syllabus. The question states that Messrs SJ Private Limited manufactures 20,000 units of a product per month. The purchase price of the raw material is 100 per kg. The reorder period is 5 to 7 weeks. The consumption of raw material varies from 200 to 300 kg per week. The average consumption being 250 kg. We have to calculate the reorder level. So the formula of ROL states maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. The maximum consumption as given in the question is 300 kgs per week, and maximum reorder period is given as 7 weeks. Therefore, the ROL is going to be 300 multiplied by 7, giving us 2100 kg. If you look at the institute book, there's another formula given for calculating ROL. That is the minimum stock level, which is the minimum stock that must be maintained at all times, also known as safety stock, plus the average consumption rate multiplied with the average reorder period. No questions have been asked using this formula, but it's always better to know the formula in case it comes in the future. With this, we have covered the ROL concept. In case of any doubts, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you.